Hello friends, welcome back to the new video. If you are the new viewer on my channel, so don't forget to subscribe my channel and like the video. So today's video title is how to solve auto screen off problem in realme phone. So let us start our video. Firstly, you have to move up. Then here you will see many icon. Go to the setting icon. Then here you will see many options. So you have to click on the display and brightness option first. So go to that option. Now here you will see many options, so you have to click on the auto screen off option first. If your mobile phone screen is automatically lock after some seconds or some minutes, if you want to solve this problem, so you have to set maximum timer on your auto screen off like that. So it means that now our mobile phone screen is automatically off after wait for 30 seconds. So I hope this video helps you. So please subscribe my channel and like the video. Thank you so much for watching our video.